Imagine a world where the interpretation of a single law could impact the fate of hundreds of individuals. Welcome to the riveting realm of legal intricacies, where we're diving into the Supreme Court's latest head-scratcher, the obstruction law and its application to the January 6th rioters. We've got the cream of the crop in legal reporting, with insights from Business Insider, CNN, and Time, not to mention a dash of New York Times for good measure. So buckle up, it's about to get jurisprudential. First up, let's dissect this beast of a case, Fisher v. U.S. This case challenges a law related to obstructing or impeding official proceedings, and boy, does it have implications. If the Supreme Court rules in favor of defendant Joseph Fisher, it could shake up the obstruction charges against former President Donald Trump and the January 6th rioters. Talk about a potential legal lifeline. Now the plot thickens when we discover that the lower court and the U.S. Court of Appeals for the D.C. Circuit can't seem to agree on the application of the obstruction law in Fisher's case. It's like a legal version of a sitcom disagreement, except the laugh track is replaced by the sound of gavel bangs. Moving on, we find ourselves in the middle of an ethical quagmire involving Ginny Thomas, wife of Supreme Court Justice Clarence Thomas. Her promotion of the January 6th pro-Trump rally has added a spicy subplot to this legal drama, raising questions about the accountability of Supreme Court justices and their spouses. Looks like this case has more layers than a wedding cake. The Supreme Court's current deliberation could drastically influence the prosecution of Trump and the Capitol rioters. The question at hand: does the obstruction of an official proceeding charge apply to nonviolent protests, or is evidence tampering necessary to trigger the statute? A question so big, it could probably have its own zip code. And there's more at stake than just the charges against Trump. This case could affect the fate of over 1,350 individuals charged in connection with the Capitol riot. It's like a game of legal dominoes, waiting for that first piece to tip over. While the Supreme Court's decision is expected by late June, one thing's for sure: this case is a testament to the power of legal interpretation. It underscores the need for greater oversight and accountability in the highest court, and serves as a stark reminder of the far-reaching implications of the law. So as we wrap up, remember, in the world of law, a single statute can ripple through the fabric of society, impacting hundreds if not thousands of lives. Today's takeaway: never underestimate the power of a well-argued case or the Supreme Court's ability to keep us on the edge of our legal seats. Until next time, keep those legal eagles soaring and your curiosity piqued. Because in the ever-evolving landscape of law, there's always a new case waiting to be cracked. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.